Hello, girls.
Hi.
After due considerations and deliberations, my son and I have decided to employ you. And so, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lest I forget, he's upstairs. I'll be down shortly to address you. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, there are some rules and regulations guiding this job, and I want you to listen attentively. 1. No long hair. No long nails. No short skirts. No high heels. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And above all, I need some measure of professionalism in this job. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Mommy?
Hi, darling.
Yes.
Good day, sir.
Yes, good day. Mommy, you're looking very good.
Thank you.
Okay, basically, I heard what Mama said. I was upstairs and she was trying to address you about the job. Yes, obviously, we have decided to employ you without waiting for the other lady who is not available. So, congratulations to all of you. You are resuming your jobs today.
Thank you, sir.
Basically, she has already said about the rules regarding the job. So I want all of you to adhere to it. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
And you mustn't fail to comment about your looks. You girls are looking delicious.
Thank you, sir.
Just give it up, okay? I think that will be all.
That's all.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fantastic, you know.
I can see you are going through your food magazine.
Yeah, I like food a lot, so I got this for myself.
Are you possibly looking for something I could cook for you today?
Not really, you know. I'm not famished. Maybe next time.
That reminds me. Sir,
Yeah.
I've been meaning to ask you this. Why are you not yet married?
I think that should be my decision, you know. I can decide to get married at any time. Okay, so just allow that to be my decision. Yeah.
You know, I mean, you have everything it takes. You have the money, you have the good looks, you have everything to get married.
I still think that should actually be my business. To marry who I want to marry at any time I want to get married. Okay.
Actually, I don't know why you had to employ 4 cooks when you could actually employ just one. I mean, that should be me. You know, I cook better than the rest of them.
What's that your name again?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. You know, Stephanie, I told you before, I want to explore life. I want to be able to live life to the fullest. I want to do what I want to do, hire who I want to hire, and fire who I want to fire. You understand? I want to be able to live the kind of life I have always wanted to live. You understand? I can decide to employ even 10 cooks. You know, how else beautiful girl does the successful businessman wish to enjoy his life? Just allow that to be my decision, okay?
Oh, sir. You know, all I want is to be in this beautiful house, all alone with you, with no disturbance. And as for the kitchen, leave that to me. I will handle that professionally. I will also help you with all the chores. You know the chores I mean? Bedroom chores, of course.
Bedroom chores.
Of course.
I think I like the sound of that. Stephanie, you and I will have to talk about this later. You know, I like that. Have to talk about this later.
Okay. I'll see you later.
It's alright.
Make sure you take care of yourself.
Yeah. Bedroom chore.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
And I will be waiting to have you. And make sure as you are coming, don't wear any monkeys.
I understand. I understand.
Nice. Come into my room by 9 p.m. and I will discuss something.
Alright, boss.
Okay.
See you by 9 p.m.
No one is.
Sure.
Yes.
I heard you call and I decided to get you a glass of water.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. And I know you need this.
What?
Because I've noticed that you're so lonely.
Are you alright?
Of course. Relax. We take it slow, okay? You like this? Relax. You like this?
Son? Hey, Mom! What's going on here?
Mom, I'm sorry. She brought me a glass of water and yes, this is it. Okay, so that'll be all. Run along.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but...
But what?